Today I'm going to show you how you can manage your survey elements. You can add content to your surveys with the following survey elements: questions, text, images and videos, and end pages. And you can easily manage these elements, for example, copy, delete, and move them around. And today I'm going to show you how you can do that. For example, you can save some time by copying survey elements you already have created. To copy a survey element, all you have to do is go into your survey and click on the checkbox on the left side of the survey element you want to copy. Then click on the Actions menu and select Copy. Now a copy of the selected elements will appear at the end of your survey, as you can see here. If you no longer need a survey element, it can be deleted. This action is permanent and cannot be undone. To delete a survey element, all you have to do is click on the checkbox on the left side of the survey element that you want to delete, click on the Actions menu, and select Delete. The selected element will be deleted immediately. If your survey has collected or imported responses, deleting a question will remove all of the data associated with that question, so that you are aware of that. You may need to change the order of your survey elements, and to move survey elements around, all you have to do is click on the Actions menu and select Move. Then you can drag and drop survey elements in the order that you want to. For example, we want to move question 2 after question 3 and change the order in that way. And when we're satisfied with that, we click Done. So you can see we have now changed the order of our questions. If your survey is long, for example, it can be a good idea to group your survey elements into pages. Respondents will feel they are making progress as they reach each new page, and it can help you organize your survey into logical sections. To add or remove page breaks, you click on the Actions menu and select Move. To group survey elements on one page, you have to remove the page break by clicking the minus page break, for example here. And to split survey elements into single pages, you have to add a page break by clicking the plus page break, for example here. When you're satisfied, you click Done. You can see now that we have changed our page breaks around. And just as a side note, end pages will always have a page break before and after. And this is how you can manage your survey elements and move, copy, or delete them in your survey.